Hello lovely viewers, welcome once again to Ama's Corner. I've really missed you guys. It's been ages, but thank God we're back and back for good. Today's recipe, I'm just going to show you something easy and simple. It's called popcorn chicken. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. So guys, today's recipe's ingredients are Parmesan cheese. We're going to use half cup of it. We have 2 cups of breadcrumbs. We have 1 kilo of chicken thigh, but you can use chicken breast. We have 2 large eggs. We have paprika, hot paprika, but you can use normal chili if you want. We have ground black pepper, half cup of all-purpose, half cup of salt. You can use white salt if you want. And we have our cornmeal. Cornmeal, that is half cup of cornmeal. And for our dip sauce, we have mayonnaise. We got mustard. And we got honey. We're going to add paprika to it as well. And one last thing is our olive oil. We're just going to use it to spread our baking paper to bake our popcorn chicken. So step 1, I'm going to put my chicken into my bowl. So I'm going to add my salt and my all-purpose flour. I'm going to use half teaspoon of black pepper. There we go. Then after that, you mix it together. So after mixing it, you set it aside. That is our step 1. Step 2, we're going to add our 2 large eggs. We're going to mix it till it mixes together. All right, step 3, we're going to mix all our dry ingredients together. So we have 2 cups of breadcrumbs, half cup of maize or cornmeal, and half cup of the cheese. Then we add half teaspoon of the hot paprika, or you can use hot chili, depending on whatever you have. So after that, then you mix them together. You need to mix it really well. So we are done with step 3. We put this aside. Our next step, that is step 4. We're going to use baking tray. So on the baking tray, you need to put 2 baking papers on it. And on the baking paper, you grate some olive oil or virgin oil on it. So just a little bit like that. So step 4 is done. So in step 5, I'm going to use my hands. So you need to make sure your hands are clean properly. So first, you're going to take one of your chicken, you dip it into your egg. Then you put it in your dry mix. Make sure you coat it fully well. Should be coated fully. Then you put on your baking tray. So we're going to do this to all the chicken. This is how it's going to look like after you've coated it with the mixed dry ingredients. So in step 6, we're going to put our coated chicken into the oven. But remember, you have to preheat your oven for 14 degrees. And we're going to cook the coated chicken for 25 minutes. It has to be cooked truly. So even if after 25 minutes it's not ready, you still have to wait. Give it a little bit of time. So in our last step, step 7, we are going to make our dip sauce for the popcorn chicken. So first we're going to measure half cup of mayonnaise. Next is 1 tablespoon of mustard. There we go. 1 teaspoon of honey. Now last ingredient is half teaspoon of the hot paprika or your chili. There we go. Now I'm going to mix up everything together. You need to make sure everything is mixed properly. Our sauce is done. Dipping sauce for our popcorn is done. So this is how your popcorn chicken should look like, and you're done. You enjoy it with your yummy, yummy, yummy special sauce. It's cooked truly, as you can see. So you're going to dip it in, and voila, it goes into your mouth. Very crunchy, very moist. I just like the whole combination. Try this at home for the kids, for the family, and they'll love it. Trust me. Thank you so much for watching Ame's Corner. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell, and comment below. I'll see you next time. Bye. Au revoir.